84 years to try this crab.
Not 84 years.
It's like 43.
It's good.
Yeah?
It's nice and sweet, yeah. This is the way crab is supposed to be.
How much was it, for real?
$9. Well,
Wow.
900 yen.
Wow.
So, under $9, but still, it's a lot.
I don't like seafood, but it smells good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Can you try a little piece?
Yeah.
Just a tiny bit. You know, I'm not gonna. I mean, I don't like seafood. I don't really. Just tastes like. It doesn't taste like seafood. It tastes like chicken.
It's sweet. It's sweet.
Yeah. Is there enough meat?
Oh yeah, it's full of meat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I mean crab in general has a lot of shell on it, so you know.
You see chopsticks for that though. That's like kind of hard.
Yeah, I know. This is my first time having to eat crab with chopsticks, so this is interesting.
Can you shake its claw?
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Crab.
Crabby.
Stop it. I feel like you gotta keep that as a memento.
No, I would smell up my suitcase. Yeah.
It smells pretty good though. It smells like barbecue.
Well, that's on the charcoal.
Yeah.
Cook it on the charcoal.
Worth it?
I don't know if it's worth $9. I mean, I wasn't not gonna get it.
Yeah. But worth the experience?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's what matters.
Yeah.
So we just bought an entire cheesecake, but they also gave us free
samples?
Yeah, free samples. So everything's coming up mail house.
Yeah, yellow. Very smooth. The cake itself is very smooth, texture-wise.
Almost like a pound cake.
Not as dense as a pound cake.
No, it's just,
That's what I mean by smoother. Like pound cake has a little more grain to it. This is very smooth consistency to it.
I one-shotted that. Just stuck it in my mouth and ate it. Yeah, that was good.
It's extremely, extremely moist. Not too cheesy, actually.
No, not too cheesy at all.
Please keep to the left when moving.
Actually,
Also, please do not eat or drink while
if anything, a little eggy.
Please eat.
Yes, very eggy.
Yeah,
Where you purchased
not very cheesy, more eggy. And I don't like cheesecake, so.
I like it. I liked it a lot.
Yeah, well, in general, I don't like the typical New York cheesecake, so.
I love all of that.
Yeah, no, I don't. So it's more like just a very moist cake
Yeah.
than like a New York cheese.
I would say like sponge cake almost.
Yes,
Yeah.
like a very
Yeah.
moist, soft, smooth
Yeah.
sponge cake.
Yeah. Very oh my.
The raisins are interesting.
Yeah.
You get a raisin
I didn't get a raisin
I
in
had
it.
a raisin in mine.
Yeah.
It kind of like pops in your mouth with the flavor, but it's kind of a weird juxtaposition of it. Like I don't get the raisins.
No, that was
It didn't
delicious.
take away anything from it, but
That was delicious.
Yeah.
I'm glad we got it. Now we have the entire cake. I don't know how we're gonna eat that,
Yeah.
but yeah. I know, we have to get it. Marion just killed a live octopus.
It's alive.
Yeah, see, a live octopus and
still
like
moving.
It shredded the skin on top of its baby eggs. Yeah.
Takoyaki. Oh, it's really soft. Wow. That one doesn't have a lot of bonito. I'll leave that one for you.
What?
That one doesn't have a lot of bonito.
No, I'm good.
No, you're gonna have one.
Nah,
Yeah. Probably like on fire because they're literally just making them.
probably really hot. Yeah, look at look at the steam.
You just want to feel me burning my mouth.
Oh, jeez, that hot?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be
So-
back in
Yeah.
for these commercials.
20 minutes or so.
We started eating them.
Yeah, they're really, really good.
What's the difference?
From the other ones,
Yeah.
they have, like, if there's any ginger in them, it's very minimal. I don't really like ginger, so when I've had them, like, even the first time I think I ever tried them in New York, there was a ton of ginger in it, and I didn't really like it as much as I wanted to. And trust me, I really wanted to. But no, these don't have any, or if they do, it's a very small amount of ginger in them, and it's very fresh. Like, there's like a huge, here, here's a piece of octopus in it. Nice big tentacle there.
Poor squid. He had a family.
Octopus.
Poor octopus. He had a family too.
Yeah, it was delicious though. Yeah, the batter's really, really tasty too.
It's like still suffering. Look at him move.
And then I finally found them making
So what is this,
stuff.
crack or something?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
I don't know what Marion did. She just walked off and
No, I
talked
smelled
to some
something really good, and I knew it wasn't
Let's go crack.
bakery, but they were cooking these right there, so I'm pretty sure this is what I was smelling. There's red bean paste inside, and it's like a batter on the outside.
Enjoy it?
Yep. It's kind of like a pancake batter
No.
with the red bean paste.
No. This is my my white whale, Pablo. I'll get you soon. Japanese jiggly cheesecake. Oh. Like it?
Yeah.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
What was it called? Do you remember?
No.
Alright, well, that thing. How much was it? How much was it?
85 yen.
Oh, wow, that's
Yeah.
really cheap. Yeah, for 85 yen, yeah, that's a
Yeah.
good deal. Glamour shot. I'm good.